Direct Jerry is a very, very kind, very welcoming director. I expect to cry.
Expect to cry? Okay, do you have tissue? Did you bring tissue? Oh no, patay.
Like they said nga po, yes, we are here to support our very kind director, Direct Jerry Lopez Sinene, and we're very excited to see the movie na po. And yeah, I'm ready to fight.
Yeah, we had a lot of screenings in the past and most of them cried. We had university screenings, so get ready guys. Alright, so please invite everybody to watch it when the movie comes out. It comes out March 11th. Yeah.
Hey guys, please watch A Special Memory coming on March 11, Wednesday. So guys, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's have a group photo lang with our first batch of guest artists. Of course, we have Kayla Davies, Angel Gadao, and Gio Mana, our guest artists tonight from House of Lies. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
We will see you inside Cinema 2.
Yeah. Marami pa po tayong panauhin na ina-expect ngayong gabi.
Ang ating dear guest, of course, from our director, none other than Direct Jerry Lopez Sinene. And of course, this film, A Special Memory, is also written by national artist. Comes out.
Hi everyone, please panoorin niyo po this Wednesday na po A Special Memory. Siyempre kasama natin dyan si Carla Pino, si Dr. Padilla, and siyempre directed by Direct Jerry Sinene.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin si Mike San, and please stay center stage for your solo photo. As I did mention, marami tayong inaasahan na guests supporting all of our cast, supporting our director. And itong mga susunod natin na artists who will be walking down the red carpet, I'm sure we will be so excited as I am. Ang dami natin. And with of course, great performances. Lahat ng, kumbaga kompleto mga Ricardo Tolits, as they say.
Lahat ng mga cast, magagaling na artista. So, ang expectation namin dito, isang magandang pelikula, lalong-lalo na kay si Direct Jerry ang nag-direct. And iyakan siguro to.
Tama po. Thank you so much. Anyayahan niyo naman po manood ang ating audience when it comes out March 11. Ako, please, March 11 Special Memory. I think this is a movie that you should not fail to watch. I'm sure it's going to have great performances, wonderful direction na talagang uwi kayo na maraming baon na saya, lungkot, and at the same time, mga lessons, no? Na pwede nyo makakita.
March 11 po, Special Memory, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan. At special ako ibibigay sa inyo ng pelikula ko. From the special director, Jerry Sinene, Jerry Lopez Sinene.
Thank you so much. As Ms. Jackie Lou did say, kumpletong recados. Okay, let's have you stay center stage, please, for your group photo. Muli, we have Ms. Jackie Lou Blanco and Mr. Lito Pimentel supporting for everybody to watch A Special Memory.
Ay po, pinipitan ko po kayo lahat na panoorin at supportahan ang Special Memory. Hindi ko pa napapanood, but mula kay Direct, magandang pelikula ito. Kung gusto yung maapektahan na ito po perfect. Ibang pamilya, sama yung mga friends natin.
Yes, exactly. At may nag-aabot na ng tissue.
Ayun pala.
Sa'yo, Martin.
Ay, salamat po. Ayan, babaunin ko ito mamaya.
Tissue towel.
Ay, salamat.
Super coolness, magasgas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Okay, Martin Del Rosario, everybody, thank you so much. Please stay center stage for your photo. Sige po, Miss Carla, while we are waiting for our next guest, so maybe you can share with us a little bit. Because you're the acting coach here.
Also, yes.
Yes, okay. So, how was the experience of coaching Bella Padilla and Carlo Aquino? I mean, we know it's not necessary, right? But, of course, how was it?
Talent naman nila, hindi naman question. But Direct Jerry wanted a more How to describe this? Parang mas gusto niya mas tuunan ng pansin yung detalye ng character nila. And we were blessed, I am blessed, was blessed to be able to work with Carlo and Bella, who are very, very open, very giving, and generous with their the discussions that we would have are hindi lang siya basta sige, malungkot ka lang dito. I know it's really, since actors, we are showing human behaviors. We were able to somehow expound on their characters' behaviors. So to be able to help. I'm just trying to help. Really coach to help flesh out ano yung mas gusto pa ni Direk. At kung dalawa, kung pwede nilang ibigay. Just there.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. Isa yan sa mga aabangan natin sa pelikula. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Carla and Rafael, please do stay center stage for your group photo.
Excited na ako.
Oo nga,
Pero may tissue ako dito sa bag ko, in case na naiyak ako.
Very good, very good. But we're also lucky to have you here tonight, ano? So,
Thank you.
yeah, so please do share with everybody bakit kailangan panoorin ang special memory.
Well, syempre, aside from the great actors, alam mo na natin ang combination ni Bella at saka ni Carlo Aquino, kailangan talaga kabangan. Ang ganda din ang kwento. Isa siyang kakaibang tragedy love story na talagang tear-jerking, mapapayak talaga kayo. At least hindi na to tungkol sa mga akawan, tungkol sa mga kabit, ganyan. Nating napapanood. Ito na nakakaiba naman, papariyakin naman tayo.
Yes, walang sampalan.
Walang sampalan. Alam mo na ba't after yung soap actors ka, sanay ka sa mga ganyan kwento, pero ito kakaiba talaga.
Sa pangalan pa lang po ng director, alam niyo na po na magandang movie. Ano pa po kaya kung narinig ang cast? So, Kuya Carlo, Ate Bella, alam naman po natin na dito na. They're both two amazing actors and yun na po. Thank you po.
Exactly. Maraming salamat, Lawrence. Okay, we now proceed to that side of the stage for your photo. Exactly. Audrey! Invite ka naman.
Hello everyone! Please watch kaabang-abang ang eksena dyan ni Aleka sa Happy Memory, no? Ayan. Ay, special
Special memory.
Special memory. Ayan.
Maraming salamat. Okay. Meron bang group photos sa magpapiling ka? Okay, so this is also part of the OST ng Special Memory. Ikaw ba nagsulat?
Yes, I'm excited.
Bakit mo naman nasulat? Ilan taon ka na ba?
I'm
You're
27.
27?
Yeah.
Kala ko mga 17.
Ako,
Ano ba yung
naman.
baby face? Diba? So how was it being a part of the OST?
You know, anytime our songs get to be part of these kinds of films, sobrang laking honor kasi it helps, the director really thought that it helps tell the story. And, you know, songwriting is all about storytelling. So, it's really an honor para yung nandiyan nating mga director na yung feeling
Oo nga, totoo yun. At dagdag bayad kapag,
Yeah.
kapag napili ang song sa movie. Alright, please invite everybody to watch the film when it comes out. Let's have you two invite. Sige, let's have Kiel. O, kasi parang shy ka. O, ikaw ang mag-invite.
Hello, I'm inviting you all to watch a special memory. It's featuring Carlo Aquino and Bella Padilla on March 11, 2026. Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you so much. Okay, photo muna tayo. Right side of the stage. Thank you! We'll see you inside the cinema. Okay, ang ating next guests ay handa na po. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Beauty Gonzalez.
Bigla na may tumatawa. Iba yung experience pag nanonood kayo sa loob ng sinihan. At iba rin yung experience sa bahay. Pero syempre, pipiliin ko pa rin yung sa
Robby. Ikaw mas maganda. Ano yun? Okay.
Alright! Up next, part of the cast once again. For Cinema 2, pwede na po kayong pumasok kung ninanais na po ninyong umupo-upo. Okay, so to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed into Cinema 2 and relax and get ready to watch this show. Invite everybody to watch the film when it comes out.
It's a special memory of story. I'd like to invite everyone showing up on March 11 Wednesday by video appearance in theaters nationwide. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joel Olivayan.
And congratulations.
Thank you. Okay, sir, ano po ba? Just one last question po, ano? Bakit kailangan panoorin ang Special Memory?
Also adaptation siya, yung ginawa namin na adaptation is Pinoy na Pinoy. Pag nanood ka, maiiyak ka, pero matutuwa ka rin dahil parang celebration siya ng pag-ibig. Makikita mo na ang pag-ibig lalo ng Pilipino, nagtatagal, natatalo niya sila ng klaseng sakit, ng klaseng kaya. So hindi, nakaka-reassure na magmahal sa mga talagang pelikula.
Very, very well said. Palakpakan naman po natin, of course, Mr. Ricky. Maraming salamat, Direk. Okay. Photo lang po tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our main cast. Let's give it up for Dana Pauline. Thank you so much. Amazing. Okay, maraming salamat po. And for now, of course, let us bring on stage. We have none other than ang ating ultimate
Kasi ng pelikula at makausap niyo yung mga pinagdala niyo sa buhay.
Malalaman niyo na maraming ituturo sa inyo ang pag-ibig at ang pagmamahal.
Thank you so much. Okay, please invite everybody to watch Special Memory kailan ba lalabas sa sinihan.
Sa Wednesday po, March 11 na yan. Sana abangan ninyo ang Special Memory. Kinakabahan ako eh.
Alright, thank you so much. Let's have a group photo with the cast with Direk and Sir Ricky.
Mga natin sa labas.